are you destroying our planet?
I have no choice.
What do you mean you don't have a choice? There's always a choice.
Not always.
Фотография
Why are you
твоя
trying to destroy us?
горят
I am not the destroyer.
Why did you try to protect me?
тебе.
Because
Камина в 6
you
утра,
know me.
разбитая душа, и все твои обещания
Treasure
пустота.
each moment with her and tell her she was right. We do have